So in an air standard Brayton cycle, air enters compressor at 1 bar at 15 degrees Celsius. The pressure leaving the compressor is 0.6 megapascal and maximum temperature of the cycle is 1000 degrees Celsius. So calculate the maximum net work in kilojoule per kilogram. So sa gas turbine power plant or Brayton cycle, yung maximum net work is one of the specific cases na meron tayo dito. So sinusolve yan by simply getting the derivative ng work net natin. But we won't show na yan dito since yan ay nasa concept na. And hopefully nakita naman natin kung paano siya kinfuga. Bali, yung maximum net work sa gas turbine power plant can be determined by using yung ating formula na to. So work net is equivalent sa MCP T3 plus T1 minus twice ng square root ng T1 T3. Diba? So basically, ito yung direct sum na formula. So since aware naman tayo na ito yung minimum temperature entering ng compressor, diba? That's 0.1. Then maximum temperature, that is 0.3. Diba? So makukuha na natin agad by simply having direct substitution dito. But we won't do that, diba? But instead, we will have yung ating Caltech na solution dito. So to show that, first let us convert into Kelvin muna yung mga temperature. So this is 15 degrees Celsius. Gawin lang natin yung absolute. So basically, magpa-plus tayo ng 273. So 15 plus 273. Kunin lang natin sa calculator yung value. Dali meron tayo 15 plus 273. So simply press equals. And so makuha natin yung corresponding value ng Kelvin natin, that is 288 Kelvin. So the other temperature given is 1000. Bali, T3, kunin natin yung 1000 plus 273. Okay, so i-calculator lang natin. So ipakita ko lang, diba? It doesn't necessarily require naman na calculate kayo every time. But I highly encourage na try to use na lang yung calculator natin since nakikita natin yung pag-iwas ng human error natin. So, pag nakuha na natin T1, T3, so we will solve this by simply direct substituting. But instead, we will use yung ating Caltech, diba? Itong square root ng T1, T3, that is the same as T2. So, bali yan ay MCP, which is T3 plus T1 minus twice ng T2 natin. So, yung T2, masasolve natin yan pag maximum network kahit hindi yan given. So, sabi natin pag maximum network na, yung value ng temperature natin doon, a point na nasa gitna, which is in disregard point, can be solved. So, i-tabulate lang natin itong temperature, pati yung ating points. So, this is 1 and 3. Ayan. Then, yung temperature naman natin, 288 tsaka 1273. So, stages refer to the points ng ating Brayton cycle. So, kailangan natin yung point 2. So, basically, yan yung ating hahanapin. Okay, so pakita ko lang. Bali, itong point 2 natin, yan yung isa-solve natin using yung ating calculator. Then, after that, pag nakuha na natin yung point 2, saka natin i-complete yung work net natin. Okay, so tulad nung nabanggit ko kanina, pipindot lang tayo ng mode basics, diba? So, lagay lang natin yung values. So, ayun. Takpan natin. Ilipat lang ulit. So, stage 1, or rather point 1, tsaka point 3. Then, the corresponding temperature are 288 and 1273. So, press mo na equals. So, hinanap natin point 2. So, press mo yung cancel. So, 2 apps 85 para sa y-hat. So, y yung gagamitan kasi nasa y yung kailangan natin. So, when we press equals, makuha natin yung value na 605.49 Kelvin. So, once we have that, we can now compute for the work by simply substituting it directly to the formula. T3, T1 is given, or given. T2, yan yung ating na-compute. Then, M. So, sir, paano yung M? Nakalagay dito per kilogram. So, meaning 1 yung M natin. Yung CP naman natin is constant pag walang binigay. And so, let us substitute yung ating mga values dun sa ating work. So, yung M natin, that is basically 1. Bakit? Kasi yung ating unit dito na per kilogram. So, meaning per unit mass. So, yung CP ng air, that is 1.0062 kilojoule per kilogram. Then, T3 is 273, 1273. Then T1 288 minus yung na-compute natin na 605 times 2. So, pwede nyo gamitin dito yung 1, kaso hindi siya sakto sa choices. Para makuha yung sakto, ito yung gagamitin na value. Sige, so lagay ko lang. Bali, mode 1 tayo, balik tayo sa mode 1. So, 1 times 1.0062 times yung temperature na 1273 plus 288 minus yung twice na 605.49. And so, simply press equals. Pag nakuha natin yung value, that's basically our work, maximum work in kilojoule per kilogram. So that is 352.18 or 0.19 kilojoule per kilogram. So yung answer natin is yung letter D natin.